Do you want to sell your home? Let's make sure it stands out from the rest. Before you list, getting it market ready is key to attracting serious buyers and scoring the best price. Today I'm sharing how to make your home shine and stand out in a competitive market. You know, many homeowners think their place is ready until the buyers walk in. They love the neighborhood, but immediately notice small issues that could have been fixed. They end up losing an offer. And that's not the experience you want. It goes to show just how much first impressions matter. Whether it's your first time selling or you have sold before, taking the right steps to prepare your home makes all the difference. It helps your home sell faster, for more money, and with much less stress. Before you make your move, let's go over these steps to ensure you're all set for a successful sale. Number 1, cleaning and decluttering. Oh my gosh, this is the foundation of any sale. Buyers need to be able to imagine themselves living in the space, and that's hard to do if personal items or photos or clutter are everywhere. Start by removing excess furniture and personal photos. Make sure surfaces, carpets, and windows are sparkling clean. If you can, hire a professional cleaner or an organizer to help. This can really elevate your home's presentation and make it stand out to buyers. Next, you'll want to ensure your home is move-in ready. Before listing, take a close look at both the inside and outside of your home. Fix minor issues, leaky faucets, cracked tiles, or peeling paint. Boost the curb appeal by mowing the lawn, trimming bushes, planting fresh flowers, and refreshing the front door of coat if needed. Many small improvements can make a big impact, signaling to buyers that your home is well maintained and move-in ready, which will attract more serious offers. You could also conduct a pre-inspection to uncover any issues you might have overlooked on a day-to-day basis. And by doing so, ensuring your home makes the best possible first impression. Next, you want to make sure your home is staged. Staging your home helps buyers to see its full potential. You don't have to hire a professional stager, but it helps to rearrange furniture to highlight the flow and functionality of the rooms. Consider renting modern neutral furniture if your pieces are outdated. Light, neutral colors tend to make spaces look larger and are more inviting. Don't underestimate the power of a well-lit home. If you need to go through, do a walkthrough of a builder's model to get some great ideas. Now that your home is looking its best, the next and most important step is to price it right. Setting the price is crucial. If it's too high, you risk scaring off potential buyers. If it's too low, you won't get the full value of your home, and buyers will be asking, well, what's wrong with it? As a local expert, I can help you analyze comparable sales in the area, current market trends, and buyer demand to come up with a price that attracts offers and gets you the best return. It's important to trust a real estate professional who knows your neighborhood to help you set a competitive price. Selling a home is more than just putting a sign in the yard. A strong real estate agent helps you connect all the dots from preparation and pricing to marketing, negotiation, and timing. A good agent will guide you on which updates actually matter and help you avoid over-improving and position your home to attract the right buyers from day one. They'll also handle showings, feedback, negotiations, and any curveballs that come up during the process. Most importantly, the right agent advocates for you. We protect your bottom line, keep the transaction on track, and help reduce stress so you can focus on your next move with confidence. Always remember that when your home is prepared well, priced right, and supported by a knowledgeable local expert, you put yourself in the strongest possible position for a successful sale. Preparing your home for sale doesn't have to be stressful. With the right strategy, simple updates, and smart staging, the process can be smooth and even exciting. If you're ready to get started or have questions about pricing, staging, or marketing, send me a text or an email. Let me be your resource for getting the home sold for the best price in the shortest amount of time. I'm May Jackson, Jackson Property Professionals, 303-335-9209.